One sunny afternoon, an officer pulled over a car for speeding, only to find the driver in a fit of hiccups. Struggling to catch his breath, the driver explained that he'd just finished a hefty meal. Amused, the officer decided to play along. "If you can stop hiccuping, I'll let you off with a warning." The challenge only prompted more hiccups. Even the passengers couldn't hold their laughter. In a clever twist, the officer then suggested try a round of Happy Birthday and see if it helps. Hilarity ensued as the whole car broke into a spontaneous sing-along, making the experience unforgettable for everyone involved. Finally, with smiles all around, the officer let them go while they hiccuped their way back onto the road.